We're going to talk about quadratic formula. Okay, when you have an equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, you can plug it into the quadratic formula to solve for x. This is the quadratic formula. You should memorize this, and you should use the quadratic formula if it is going to be quite difficult to factor the equation. Yeah, when you can just factor it out without using this, then just go for it. But if it is hard, then you might have to use the quadratic formula because it works everywhere for this kind of form. Okay, let's see. What are the values of x in the equation of this? In here, a will be 3, b will be 10, and c will be 5. Okay, in quadratic formula, let's just plug it in. Minus 10 plus and minus square root of b squared, which is 100, minus 4ac over 2a, which is 6. Then this would equal plus and minus. Right here, this is 60, so it would be 40. And square root of 40 can be simplified as 2 to the square root of 10 over 6, and this can be simplified again. So it would be negative 5 plus and minus square root of 10 over 3. So this is basically the x value. So there's 2 because it is plus and minus. And also because it is a quadratic function. And this only works in quadratic function. And that's the reason why it is called quadratic formula. And this is the end of the class.